Hey, what's up traders? It's your man David from Incur Traders. Welcome back in the channel. I hope everybody is well and had a good trading week this week. Today I will talk about 4 stocks that should be in your watch list for next week. But before going further, let me remind you that trading and investing is risky. So please do your own due diligence and research before entering any trade. First, let's look at the XPX daily chart. As we see, the XPX closed the day Friday down 0.19% at 39.06 and 71. The XPX had a pullback the last days but bounced back on the 9-day EMA, which is still above the 20-day EMA. The markets are still above the 3,900 support. So the market remains bullish at this point, but I would expect some more consolidation in the next days before we have a better idea of the direction of the market. I would suggest to trade with caution. So without further ado, here are the 4 stocks for your watch list next week. First, we have Ocular Therapeutics, ticker symbol OCUL. It is an American biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the formulation, development, and commercialization of therapies for diseases and conditions of the eye using its bioresorbable hydrogel platform technology. The current market cap of the company is around $1.45 billion. It is around 64% institutional owned and around 6% insider owned. Based on Yahoo Finance, on February 2021, we have 2 hold, 4 buy, 1 strong buy recommendation with an average price target of $25.50 a share. Now if we look at the daily chart, what is interesting is the fact that the stock broke out, then returned within a descending price channel from the 52-week high of $24.30 in December 2020. It went all the way up to $20.50 but closed the day at $19.22 the share, right on the 9-day EMA. The 9-day EMA is getting closer to the 20-day EMA, which is usually a good positive sign in the short term. We have an RSI at 48, a crossover of the positive directional indicator with the negative one on the ADX, a positive crossover on the MACD. I think that with a continued positive momentum, the stock could consolidate and break out again from the negative price channel in the next days or weeks. If it does, the next resistance level is at $21 a share, and the following resistance sits at $22.50. This is a potentially good swing candidate. Second, we have Axalta Coating System, ticker symbol AXTA. It is an American company that through its subsidiaries manufactures, markets, and distribute high-performance and transportation coating system around the world. They just released their Q4 2020 earning on February 18, 2021, and it was an EPS and revenue beat. The current market cap of the company is around $6.72 billion. It is around 98% institutional owned. Based on Yahoo Finance, in the month of February 2021, we have 7 hold, 9 buy, and 2 strong buy recommendation with an average price target of $32.75 the share. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we see that the stock broke out from the descending price channel from the 52-week high in January 2021. Today, it went all the way up to $28.75 and closed the day at $28.46. The 9-day EMA is getting closer to the 20-day EMA, which is a good positive short-term sign. We have an upward RSI at 55, a positive crossover on both ADX and MACD in the last few days. If the stock consolidates and remains in the new price channel, I could see the stock perking up towards the next resistance level at around $29.50 the share in the next days or week. If it does, the stock has room to retest a 52-week high of $31.48 the share. This one could be another good swing trade. Next, we have CSX Corporation, ticker symbol CSX. It is an American company that provides rail-based freight transportation services. The current market cap of the company is around $70.4 billion. It is around 76% institutional owned. Based on Yahoo Finance in February 2021, we have 2 underperform, 7 hold, 12 buy, and 6 strong buy recommendation with an average price target of $126 the share. Now if we look at the daily chart, what I like about the chart is the stock broke out from a key resistance level at $92 the share following a positive trend line from November 2020. It closed the day Friday at 92.09 cents the share. We have a crossover of the 9-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, which is usually a positive sign for a short-term bullish move. We have an upward RSI at 58, a positive crossover on both ADX and MACD in the last few days. If the stock manages to stay above and consolidate at the resistance level of $92, I could see the stock pushing towards the next resistance levels at around 93 and 80 cents and then 97 and 50 in the next days or weeks. I like this setup. This one could be a very good swing trade. Last, we have Voya Financial, ticker symbol VOYA. It is an American company that operates as a retirement, investment, and employee benefits company in the United States. The current market cap of the company is around $7.24 billion. It is institutional owned. Based on your finance on February 2021, we have 1 underperform, 3 hold, 5 buy, and 4 strong buy recommendation with an average price target of 67 and 92 cents the share. Now if we look at the daily chart, we see a triple bottom at 54.50 this share, which is a very strong support. The stock also broke out from a negative trend line from January 2021. The 9-day EMA is getting closer to the 20-day EMA, which is usually a good positive sign in the short term. We have an upward RSI at 56, a crossover of the positive directional indicator with the negative one on the ADX, a positive crossover on the MACD. With continued positive momentum, the stock could consolidate within the new price channel and potentially retest the next resistance levels at $60, $50, and at $63 the share in the next days or weeks. This could be a very good setup. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed that short video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you want to get more stock ideas, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you in the next one.